Now you're happy. Hello. Can you talk? Can you talk? Say hello. Should we try your song again? See, that went okay. That went okay. Should we try another one? That one wasn't so bad. No, you didn't like that one? Oh. Should we try a different one? You didn't like that one either? No? Okay, let's try a different one. None of them, huh? Oh, it's a grumpy face. It's just a grumpy face. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is a sad, grumpy face. Yeah, that is. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, we'll stop with the toy.